Kian, so clean away, mate. 3, 2, 4, Kian. Go.
Kian. Nanu's got to catch him. He's going pretty fast. No, he's going pretty fast. Don't know if you can see with the light. Can't see nothing. There you go. Nanu's speeding.
It's go and go right.
Nanu's speeding. Speeding. Oh. Maybe we'll catch him at the lights, Kian. Oh, the lights are green. Okay. The lights are going red. Yeah, you're lucky. Yeah, slow now. Go slow. Here he comes. Here he comes. Very slow. Here we go. Go a little bit forward.
Kian, look again.
Go on, take the front cage. Go. Go, Kian. That's alright. Go, he comes. That's alright.
No, it's not loud. Take videos.
There you go, Kian.
Okay, put him away now.
There you go. That's it.
What? The hydraulic arm, Kian. Okay.